Hi everybody, this is Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing, and welcome to today's weekly walk in the park, where we take 3 minutes to answer your questions about roof repairs, roof replacements, and the insurance claim process. And this week we're answering your question, should I use an out-of-state roofer? So I actually am out of state, out of Colorado this week, and so it seemed like this was an appropriate question. A lot of times after a hailstorm, a lot of roofers come here from other states to try to cash in on the storm work. And a lot of homeowners end up using out-of-state roofers. And so why should somebody in Colorado Springs not want to consider using an out-of-state roofer? Well, here are a couple reasons. Number one, if the roofer comes in from out of state, does your roof, and then he goes back to whatever state that he's in, ask yourself this question. If you have a problem, how are you going to get it resolved? If there's some issue with the workmanship, is that roofer going to be able to come back and honor his workmanship warranty, if there even is one, and be able to solve the problems on your roof? One other consideration that you'd probably want to make would be, where is the labor pool that's going to be actually doing your roof project going to come from? If a roofer comes here from out of state, it's going to be very likely that he doesn't have any established connections or relationships with any of the roofing crews here in the Colorado Springs market. And so how is he going to be able to pull a good crew to work on your roof? That is a major issue, because if the roofer's from out of state and the roofing crew is no good, you could end up with a pretty bad project when it's all completed. One other thing to think about would be, if he's coming here from out of state, is he even licensed to do the work here in El Paso County? And that's something that is easy to find out. You can go to pprbd.org, or you can call Pikes Peak Regional Building Department, and you can just ask them if the roofer that you're considering is licensed to do work here in El Paso County. So I hope that answers your question about whether or not you should consider using a roofer who comes here from out of state. If you've got any other questions about the roofing process, about roofers that are coming here from out of state, about repairs or the insurance claim process, please give us a call. Let's see, right up here, 719-433-6991. That's our office phone number. Or you can visit our website right down here, homesteadroofingcolorado.com. Visit that. We've got a ton of information out there, lots of tips and education for homeowners. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let us know what you like about this video, but also please, if you've got any questions that you would like us to answer in our weekly series, leave those in the comments section too. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon right up there, so that way you get notified when we've got new videos. So in the meantime, I'm Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing, and we'll see you on our next weekly walk in the park.